Hello, Odooers. Welcome back to our channel, Devintelle. Using this our app, you can easily print attendance monthly report of employee. So let's see about that. You can see here our module, Dev Attendance Monthly Report. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to attendance, go to reporting and see here this menu, attendance monthly report. Click on. Now I want to select monthly, select employee like mark demo and admin. And now click on this print Excel button. So see here this mark demo and admin for printed here attendance report. Thank you.